if you're a Ghanaian living abroad and then you have been asked to attest your marriage certificate or legalize it for immigration purpose, then this video is for you. People normally ask, okay, this is a typical one. This is attested legalized marriage certificate. You can see, right? People normally ask, okay, if I'm living abroad and then one, if your marriage certificate is with you in abroad, then obey me a small bit, you can send some, right? So for certified true copy, is that okay? Right? So that is something that I've been on. The certificate has been certified. So you send a copy of the marriage certificate, over send a copy of the marriage certificate, being scanned or something like that to the person, and then you add an authorization letter to it. Is that okay? It depends on the district or the where you did your marriage certificate. It's not the panel they are called. So you submit that copy of the marriage certificate for them. Tell them that you need a true certified copy of the marriage certificate. A green one, no? We need a green one. Wait. This is the ordinance. This is what we mostly recommend for those of you travel. Even though some countries do accept the customary one, is that okay? But what personally I would recommend, with many years of experience, is this by ordinance certificate. Now, get that certificate. People have been doing mistakes. Crawford tires are mistaken. They will go and then they will print this one on the paper for them to be attested. Some of the countries don't accept that. Is that okay? It's on the card. You see, this is the card, right? So this is the card, official one. If you need any help, just you can click our link below for a consultation. It comes with a fee, right? Document inquiry. If you want us to do that for you too, we are available. So back to the video. How do you get this? So after obtaining the true certified copy of the marriage certificate, then you have to attest it. If your country requires you to attest it, you have to do that. Country like Spain, and I even recommend that is the best way to go about it, right? Some of the Europe country, even now in this UK recent application that we assisted someone today, they all seem to provide additional document to prove that their marriage is authentic, something like that. So we have to attest the marriage certificate. Is that okay? So that is the best way to do. But if you're already there, then that is a requirement. Then this is how you go about it. After obtaining this one, make sure that you get a verification letter. So the verification letter also comes from the registrar. Is that okay? This is a verification letter. So these two things you are obtaining from the marriage office, right? So from the registrar, the marriage set itself, the green one, and then the verification letter confirming that your marriage still exists. Is that okay? So after getting that, you send that to notary public. It passes through like 3 to 4 offices, and I was playing at the end. Now, first one, I call notary public, right? So after the notary public, then you take that one to the judicial service. That is the court, right? So I'm in the court, right? So the judicial service, and then from there you send it to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. You can see that. Send it to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. So after, it's not one day, neither it's 2 days. It's a process. So it depends on how you need it. So let me know in the comment section below if you need guideline once again. So after getting these 3 passes through these 3 stages, now which country are you sending it to? So if you are watching this video right now, then this is a requirement from you. Just type in the comment attestation or legalization. Is okay? For instance, this one like this is going to Spain. So Spain require you to legalize your documents at the Spanish consulate in Ghana. I was called legalize it. I was Spanish embassy at Ghana. So look at this one. This is the Spanish embassy stamp. This one. This is the current Spanish at the time of making this video. This is the Spanish embassy at the back. So this way my documents were valid for Spain application immigration purpose. Is that okay? But hence, those of you who are in Spain, you know that this is in English, so you have been required to translate it into Spanish language before they can accept it. Now, if you are going to Belgium, if this is going to Belgium, then it means that after the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, you send it to the Belgian consulate in Ghana here. People have been confused about that. They do legalization in Ghana. You don't need to send that document to Ivory Coast to go and do that. No. They do the legalization here in Ghana. By the way, at the time of me, everything that I'm saying here, I'm not an immigration officer, neither I'm a lawyer. We are just by experience and then a travel consultancy with years of what experience. That is what we are sharing here. Is that okay? So immigration laws are not stagnant. They are not like a 10 commandments. Any 10 commandment, it can change at any point in time. So if you are picking information, look at the time that information has been posted and make a research. You can reach out to us or any other person to find out if this is still valid. Is that okay? So at the time of making this video, the Belgian consulate can legalize your document for you in this country. I'm not saying they can. They do it. We have been doing that for people, right? So they do attestation in Ghana, legalization in Ghana. Now, country like UK doesn't require you to send your document to their consulate for legalization. They have that connection between Ghana. Is that okay? So after the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, we are free to go. Country like Australia, Netherlands. Is it those countries? Everything requires you to ask first and then consult. With the Netherlands, you need to get a stamp at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs before it can be accepted. The same also apply to Austria. Is that okay? Yeah, so you always need to ask before you take a step. So that is how you can get your marriage certificate certified true copy or the true certified copy of the your document in Ghana. Do you need any help? You're available to, you see, these are, when it comes to the attestation and visa consultation, no go, you see, all these are documents, people's documents that we've assisted them in their attestation. So let me know once again in the comment section below if you need any help with your documents whilst you are living outside the country.